100 million years in the future, a clutch of snail eggs washes ashore on a newly emerged volcanic island. As the first animal pioneers, these new arrivals grow large on a free buffet of vegetation. In time, their descendants gain a new pair of tentacles on their faces, derived from their lips, like in the modern-day Euglantina genus. Now, with 2 eye stalks and 4 tentacles, these snails become experts in tracking down the freshest and most nutritious vegetation, and quickly speciate into a wide range of giant herbivores. Some of the largest species develop thicker and drier skin to conserve moisture. Their bodies, now less flexible, support structures form from tough plates of calcium carbonate, like in their shells. As their mass increases, a single rippling foot is unsuitable, but one pair of tentacles, having grown larger to manipulate branches, becomes useful in supporting the massive bulk of the body and eases the burden on the foot. These are the Brachyopsidae, the face-armed snails, colossal land mollusks like nothing the world has ever seen.
This has been an exercise in speculative evolution, a movement that imagines the future of life on Earth, asks what if prehistoric creatures didn't go extinct, or explores what could be living on alien worlds. What sounds like a science fiction hobby is a gateway to a whole range of topics. As well as the principles of natural selection, speculative evolution encourages the discussion of zoology, paleontology, biomechanics, geology, botany, and more. It also fosters the interplay of arts and sciences. So if you're ever teaching evolution, consider using speculative evolution as a guide. Who knows what new life forms you might discover?